I find that people feel they need to look directly at the camera almost without blinking. The Brits are particularly terrible at this. I just think that's really unnatural anyway. If you were to stand and stare at someone for 30 or 40 seconds and speak faultlessly, that feels really weird. So when I'm presenting, I give myself permission to not look at the camera. I don't think that you have to be in vision for a lot of this thing, because although we're all lovely, sexy people here, using our pieces to camera sparingly is really important, I think. So if you're trying to convey anything complicated, the last thing I want to do, greatest respect to the world, is look at your face. So you can see here, what I do is I start with the script and then I try and cover as much of it as possible with not my face. So pictures of the stuff I shot on the phone, and here aerial shots, blah, blah, blah. And then what I do, PTC, piece to camera, I make the pieces to camera count. And the less you can appear in vision, the more impact your pieces to camera will have. I look at so many news reports, and you'll have a 2-minute news report, and the reporter, some point in there, will be next to the Bank of England and will start like this. And the Chancellor said today, remains to be seen. And I'm thinking, why have you just walked from there to there and stopped? It's only because you want to be on camera, isn't it?